It's several months later, I've got updates. The fuel tank ain't gonna work. It's old and crusty enough that they can't plastic weld anything to it. So we would have to start over. I've got some other ideas. It's been about 3 months since the last time I worked on this. Had some parts come in. Gonna walk you through it. So here's that old fuel tank that we got taken off. You can see the red marks here are what needed to come off of this fuel tank to make it past the drive shaft for it to work. See, the factory drive shaft ran right along here in this little indent. Well, because it's got a 3-inch body lift, now the drive shaft was running along there. Took it to a plastic company to give them, delete that part right there. Nope, can't do it. Tank is too crusty.
I'm a stony crusty dude, did you know that?
That tank is gonna go into garbage. But I have an idea. So these Humvees are built to be either 2-door, like what I've got, or 4-door. This panel right here actually will come off and it will turn into a 4-door rig. And there's even footwells underneath down here. So instead of mounting a fuel tank up under here where the original went, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I am gonna mount this in the footwell or the seat well right behind the driver's seat. That's a perfect space for a fuel tank. And I'm just gonna order a race car fuel tank. Comes with the sending unit, comes with the sump already in there. I won't have to do anything except bolt it to the floor and hook up the lines.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Just run some holes down through this firewall, or down through this body wall right here. And the fuel pump actually sits right about there underneath the frame. And then, once that's all done, I can just take this plate, cover that up.
That would be cool.
I think that's gonna work perfect. Also, since the last time I worked on this, I was able to get the radiator buttoned up, power steering, and the hydraulic assist. That's all good to go. This was the part, one of the parts that I was waiting on. This is a new pressure tank for the cooling system. The old one had the outlet right out here and it was buttoned up right against the turbo. Now the new one on the new style comes out down there. So that fixed the problem. I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on this and I'm gonna bring you back for an update. Thanks for watching. Keep the shiny side up. This has gotta go in the dumpster. Yeah.